Experiment 1. Optical fiber cable, tools and equipment. In this video, you will see the outdoor fiber cable and the indoor fiber cable. There have some key difference between two of these. The first one, the diameter. Usually the diameter of the outer jacket of the outdoor fiber cable is thicker than the indoor fiber cable, because it has to protect a lot of things that can be against to the transmitting data, such as the UV radiation, moisture, and temperature. The second is the number of core. Core of the outdoor fiber usually will have more than the indoor fiber cable. And the last one, outdoor fiber cable usually are better for long distance data transmission compared to the indoor fiber cable. So you will be comprehend with the fiber optic type of the connectors. In this video, you will be see the SC type connectors. The left one, or the blue one, we will call it the UPC, and the right one is the APC, or the green one. If you have the cork, some of them, so you can remove it out like this. Also, they will have the different of the cross section, so be careful. This is the another type called the LC type connector, and this is the FC type connectors that you can also remove the cork like this. A patch cord combination between the LC and the FC connectors together. Also, if you want to cut some of them like this, and another is the UPC type or APC type, we will call it as a pigtail, like in this one, as you can see. So this equipment called a rack mount drawer. Firstly, you will see the back wheel of it. You can put the fiber inside. It can be outdoor or indoor, depends on your requirement. And this is the front wheel of the rack mount drawer. You can remove the screwdriver and pull it out. You can put the fiber in here and wrap it around inside of the splitter and then go outside from another hole. So this is called a closure or vertical closure. You can remove all of this screwdriver and use it like the splitter as the same as a rack mount drawer. So this tool is called a closure that have a splitter inside, so the splitter will provide the splitter that can input the 1 fiber cable and output to the 8 fiber cable from here to here. It will transmit from input at one wire from the left to the right one, or it can be in vice versa as well. The last tool in experiment 1 is called the outer terminal box. You see this box beside the street around the country. It is provide the distribution or the FUD, fiber optical distribution unit. It is device that used to distribute and manage the fiber optic system. It can be used in various applications, such as including internet broadcasting, organization, internet, and telephone network. So this is called the optic fiber wire cutter. So it is the purpose like the name. You can use it to cut the fiber wire as the different type of the blade inside. When you want to use the optic fiber wire cutter, you can use any blade like in this one or in this one. So you can cut the indoor fiber like this. After you pull it out, you will see the core fiber inside, like this picture that we have a lot of them. You also can use the fiber optic wire cutter to cut the outdoor fiber, and you will get the similar result as the indoor fiber. So in the experiment 4, or called the cable stripping, we will be using the fiber stripper to cut the fiber jacket at the length that we want. So in this case, I'll choose from the multiple of core inside. I'll choose the red one. Then we can use this to cut it off. I can put it inside like this. and just grab it. And I can use my finger to spin it around and remove it out. And you can see the core has already cut it.